Hi everyone, my name is Gwen'N, I'm the creator of this channel, welcome. With me you can find cosmetics and cold process soap recipes and candles making process. Today I'm making an aftershave gel for the face of men with mature skin for the summer. Anti-fire with hemp oil and mint essential oil. I chose to combine my water with mint powder for an infusion which will make the gel more refreshing enhanced by the mint essential oil. I begin to prepare the infusion. I prefer to pour my boiling water over my tea bag rather than putting everything in the microwave. As a general rule, I prefer the bain-marie to the microwave to make my cosmetics, my soaps and my wax creations too. The ingredients melt gently while retaining their properties. Then I will add the xanthan gum and mix until it's completely dissolved and the mixture will begin to gel. Last I will add the rest of the ingredients and mix one last time before pouring into my bottle. It's a very quickly recipe and its effectiveness has been proven more than once. I selected an oil that penetrates quickly in order to keep the gel light. Hemp is known to be a calming and soothing oil on red or irritated skin. It helps reduce water loss by protecting the skin from dehydration, firming and softening. It helps maintain the elasticity and youthfulness of the skin thanks to its essential fatty acids which fight against the effects of time. 2 cosmetic actives complete its action. Provitamin B5 is restorative, soothing and prevents skin dehydration by limiting water loss. It thus maintains the softness and elasticity of the skin. The intense hydration complex has an immediate and long-lasting hydrating effect. It also helps limit water loss and maintain the suppleness and elasticity of the skin. Finally, the essential oils of mint and ho wood, in addition to being fragrant, will provide your skin with interesting properties. Rich in anti-inflammatory active ingredients. They are purifying and promote healing. Ho wood is also known to prevent skin aging. I leave you with the video. Here we obtain a very light gel which will protect and help the skin after shaving. Feel free to take a look at my shaving foam recipes. Protected from heat and humidity. And made in good hygienic and disinfection conditions, your recipe can be kept for up to 6 months. In case of extreme heat, I recommend that you place your product in a cool place. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. I am also available on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. If you would like to see more videos like this, feel free to take a look at my other videos. I'll see you again soon for another video. Have a good evening everyone, bye.